My first time seeing it, the words don't do it justice. You have to see it to believe it. So the students can actually see the internal workings of the components before they start designing. Being able to integrate it with STL files and other files that we can use in our CAD software, interfaces with our 3D printers, so they can actually see the model here before they actually manufacture it, see how it's going to function. This will also allow us to integrate our department with other departments for design, CNC, robotics, process tech, nursing department, welding, electrical design, mechanical design. We can do schematics, diagrams based off of these. I really can't think of too many departments that would not benefit from this. It's not only for the students to see, for them to work with it, but as an instructor, we actually have a component that we can bring into class as a show and tell and show the interaction. Not only that they see it, but they interact with it. And they can see where their design flaws or mistakes are and go back and redesign. And the thing is, if you could dream it up, you could probably design it and put it in there for them to use it. So if you, as an instructor, can't put it in words, you can actually demonstrate it and it shows exactly how it works there. So it takes our words and amplifies it. Words are not going to explain it. You got to see it. It's awesome. So to me, this will be probably the top of my list for something to purchase for the departments.